Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter.effron. I'm Annette if you are new here. Today, I am finally doing my Empties video. I've been collecting this shit for a long time now. And I was supposed to do an Empties post on my WordPress. Totally nerfed out on that one. So, what have I used up? What did I repurchase? What am I going to repurchase? And what have I replaced with something else? The first thing I got is a bubble bath. Or a milk bath. I don't know why it got all wonky like this. The Caprina fresh goat's milk with orchid oil milk bath. This stuff's really great. I only like to use it in the winter because it's super moisturizing. Because I'm doing the whole Avon clean out. Lip gloss. I did use this up entirely, did not repurchase it, and I probably won't be buying another bubble bath. I think I've still got one more to get through. That I've got downstairs before I buy more bubble baths, so the replacements for my bubble baths will probably be in my next Empties video. Body is a body wash. Why was that hard? This is the Cliniderm Irritant-Free Gentle Cleanser. It is soap-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, specialized care for sensitive, allergic, reactive, or dry skin. I got this for $20 as a set at Shoppers Drug Mart. I got this when I got my 2 tattoos last year. So I wanted to make sure I had enough product to deal with 2 tattoos, and I ran out of my usual tattoo salve, so I picked this up and it came with a cream. This actually worked really, really well. Not gonna repurchase it just because it's fragrance free. It served its purpose. It was good for my tattoos. The next thing I've got is another bubble bath. This one's Avon. It's part of my Get It the Hell Out collection. This one is the Winter Classics Frosted Winterberry Bubble Bath. It smelled amazing. The best scents I have ever smelled in anything. I'm sad because I want everything to smell like this. Yeah, I won't be repurchasing it because I don't even think I can if I wanted to, because this was seasonal from like 2 years ago. Moisture Effective Eye Makeup Remover Lotion from Avon. This is the little mini travel size. I currently have one more of these that I'm still working through, which is in my gym bag. I don't like this. This is okay. But I'd have to use it a couple times. Like, it did not take me long to get through this, just because I would have to do so many like once-overs to get the makeup off of my face. So, not repurchasing this. I will be replacing it with the Biore cold cream. Or not Biore, Pond's. It's Pond's, the classic cold cream in the little jar, and you know. Next, I have the L'Oreal Colorista Semi-Permanent Hair Color in Blue 6. I'll link the video up here, but I did do over Vlogmas a bunch of trying out these L'Oreal Colorista semi-permanent things. I used the pink one, which I still have another application of downstairs, and this one. And I think this one actually turned out way better than I could have imagined. It was super easy to put in. Once you get a technique down, it's really easy to do, and I just thought it was fun. And it's semi-permanent. It just washes right out after a couple weeks. It's easy to bleach over. So next up, I've got a day cream. This one is from the Body Shop as well. It is the Seaweed Oil Control Gel Cream for combination and oily skin. This one smells so good. I got this one again in a set. I was using this one as a day cream only. Did like this one. But at the moment, I'm switching out from, I'm trying to lessen the crap that I'm using. So I'm trying to find a cream that works for both day and night. So I have not repurchased this. It worked really well with my combination skin, and I do really, really love this. The next one I'm going to mention, I will not be repurchasing because it's Avon, but I did also really love it. NutriEffects Active Seed Complex Night Cream, and this is the Balance Oil Control Oil-Free Gel Cream. So many words. Next up, more Body Shop. This one is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash, and this I do not use on my face. I actually use this in my bikini lines. I am super prone to ingrown hairs, and any of you who have had an ingrown hair know that they're fucking miserable. While I was doing my course with skincare and hair removal and learning about things that work for different skin types and different causes for ingrown hairs, that kind of thing, I picked up this neat little trick of using a tea tree facial wash. Right now I'm actually using the seaweed version of it, and after that I think I'm actually going to be switching to a baking soda one. Use this in the shower every time I shower. Use this only in my bikini line and other areas where I'm prone to or have an active ingrown hair, and it worked so well. The next thing I got is from Garnier Skin Active. This is the Pure Mattifying Toner minimizing shine and the look of pores. This one worked great. I loved it. The only problem is this one is just for oily skin and I have combination skin, so I'm not repurchasing this one specifically just because my skin's too combination right now. So although it was great for my T-zone, I don't want to multi-tone. This was too drying for the majority of my face. I have replaced this with a L'Oreal Hydratone. We'll see that in my next Empties video, but as of right now, I think that one's too hydrating for me, and I just can't fucking win, guys. I can't. And the last thing that I have in here, an Avon Elements Moisture Boost Eye Cream. This stuff it was $16. I would not have paid more than $3 for this. It was just, there's nothing special about that. That's fine, like if you're just looking for a basic moisturizer, but for the price point and the Avon effort you have to put in to get it, it's just so not worth it. So that's it, my box is empty. So that is it, that's all for that. Give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go anywhere, and hit that notification bell right beside it so that you're always notified when I put things on the internet.